Hello, it's Monday the 9th of January 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFX Markets. The US dollar posted gains versus most major currencies as the non-farm employment change came out 200,000 better than expected at 152,000, and the unemployment rate declined from 8.70% to 8.50%, making investors more optimistic about the US economy and the dollar more attractive. Stocks closed mixed as the Nasdaq gained 0.16% and the Dow fell by 0.45%. Crude oil fell by 0.30% to close at $101 a barrel, and gold fell by 0.2% to close at $1,616 an ounce. The euro fell to its weakest level since September 2010 on concern Europe's debt crisis is worsening. Retail sales came out minus 0.80% worse than expected, but the unemployment rate met expectations at 10.30%. The trend for the pair remains bearish as long as it remains below resistance at 127.50. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 126.69 and a high of 128.12. Today, German industrial production is expected to come out at minus 0.50% versus 0.80% previously. The British pound fell versus the dollar as the greenback continued to benefit from risk aversion amid European banking sector concerns and after a positive NFP last Friday. Holding below the key resistance level of 155.80 keeps the momentum for the pair negative. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 153.75 and a high of 155.25. No economic data is expected today. The yen gained versus the US dollar as concern that some of the region's countries may struggle to fund themselves. Technically holding above the support level of 76.50 turns the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 76.79 and a high of 77.33. No economic data is expected today due to a bank holiday in Japan. Finally, the Canadian dollar. The CAD declined on speculation that growth in the nation's economy is cooling as the euro area debt crisis lingers. The unemployment rate rose from 7.40% to 7.5%. According to the daily chart, the pair is facing resistance at 104.25. And once this is breached, it will continue to 105.50. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.69 and a high of 102.85. Today, the BOAC Business Outlook Survey is due for release. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.